Ever wished you could turn your ideas into stunning diagrams without the hassle? Imagine this. You have a brilliant concept, but when it comes to mapping it out, whether it's a flowchart, a mind map, or a timeline, you get stuck in a maze of clunky interfaces and endless manual adjustments. Wouldn't it be easier if there was a smarter way to bring your vision to life? Enter Wondershare EdrawMax, the ultimate AI-powered diagramming tool. With EdrawMax, you don't need to be a design expert or spend hours dragging and resizing shapes. This powerful software takes the complexity out of diagram creation, allowing you to transform your ideas into professional visuals in just a few clicks. Here's what makes EdrawMax stand out: AI-powered diagramming. Automate complex diagrams with advanced AI, saving you time and effort. Massive template library. Access over 30,000 community templates to kickstart your projects and find inspiration fast. Smart drawing tools. From connection points to Boolean operations, EdrawMax gives you the professional tools to customize every detail effortlessly. Enhanced presentations. Bring your diagrams to life with flow animations and an interactive slideshow mode to engage your audience like never before. Whether you're planning a project, brainstorming ideas, or organizing workflows, EdrawMax turns your rough sketches into polished, shareable diagrams, faster and easier than ever. And the best part? You don't need to start from scratch. With just one click, the AI handles the heavy lifting while you focus on your ideas. If you're ready to make diagramming simple and stress-free, stick around because I'm about to show you how EdrawMax can revolutionize the way you work. Head over to Google and search EdrawMax. Click on the first link. Here you can download the software in your PC, or you can try the software online for free. For the demo, I will use the online version. But remember, online version can be slow due to slow internet speed. Log in with your credential, if you have an account, or else create a new Wondershare account. EdrawMax offers plenty of feature, whether you are a project manager or you want to create a flowchart, mind map, analysis canvas, organizational chart, slide, or many more. It is go-to solution for all. Wondershare EdrawMax also provides tons of templates with different categories to choose from. Select any template you want to edit from the available templates. Click on Use immediately. Now customize the template according to your needs. You can add pictures, graphs, texts, icons from the left menu. If you want to create a flowchart or any other diagram from scratch, EdrawMax also provides that option. Just click on the new button and create a new blank canvas. Here you can also search for different templates if you do not know anything about diagramming tools. It will be easier for you to just edit pre-made diagram. But I will show you how you can create a flowchart from scratch. I will first delete the template and will write the title according to my flowchart diagram. Left menu provides the flowchart shapes that are used in the diagramming. I will create a simple flowchart for an ADM withdrawal. The user enters its passcode. After the passcode is entered correctly, the system checks if there is any available balance. If yes, it will withdraw cash. Else, it will show error message with low balance. Now, let's talk about the hottest feature of Wondershare EdrawMax, the AI flowchart feature. With the help of AI, you can simply create a diagram within seconds by writing a prompt explaining what type of diagram you want. Let's explore this. Once the interface is loaded, simply type your prompt in the text box and wait for EdrawMax to create a stunning diagram for you within seconds. EdrawMax has created a flowchart according to my given prompt within few seconds. If I would have to create it from scratch, it would take hours to learn the tools and create it. But EdrawMax works like magic and completes the task in seconds. Now, let's explore the mind map feature, which is also a great feature of EdrawMax. Similarly, you have to write your prompt here, to create an amazing mind map of topics you want to explore and get an idea. Once the mind map is created, you can use the AI Assist feature to extract summary and many more. You can change the style of the mind map according to your need. You can also edit the mind map by adding new topics, change its color, and many more. Now let's explore the timeline feature of EdrawMax. Write your prompt and press enter. Now wait for a few seconds and EdrawMax creates a timeline for you. Now you can edit the timeline according to your need and change its style and color. There are plenty of other features to explore, but I want you to explore this amazing tool yourself. Head over to Wondershare EdrawMax and create amazing diagram within few seconds. And lastly, like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future AI updates.